Alright guys, welcome to another video today, and today's video we'll make some GameMaker. So in the last project we've actually we have the code the the ship's alarm, which is automatically shoots and then set an alarm to every shot and make the backgrounds moving. And so today we're gonna actually make the ship's health, which means kind of like HP. Imagine that you have five hearts. When you shoot, you will lose one heart, and when you shoot another gun, you lose another heart. And then when you shoot until you have zero hearts, you will die. And then we use the mechanics as well. So in order to make the mechanics, we will actually go to the create menu in the object enemy, and then create this one, life equals 5, and also click space, which means that it's actually another code, and let the game engines know that. And at the life equals 5, it has 5 lives. So we're going to go to open editor and click to the object bullet and then add this code right here. So add life equals life minus 1. And also, wait, if you guys didn't see here, it's actually going to add the collision event with the object bullet, which is our bullet, not the bullet enemy. Don't mistake it, by the way. Alright, so you can see that life equals life minus 1, which means if it collides, it will life minus 1. But it doesn't run because it doesn't know how to stop, because it will go negative. Even if it goes 0, it won't stop because it will go instantly. It will go negative. So to do that, we use the if then sentence. Kind of like if the temperature was below 0, it will snow. So yeah, and that's what we use to make that exact same thing. So in order to do that, we use the if life equals 0, which means there's no life, and then we actually add two of these. You can see this is not here, this is not here. Oh, this is actually very crucial. And then also add the instant destroy. Also add this two. And there's these two sides here. This is very crucial. So after that, we actually have done, and we're gonna go test play it. Alright, so you can see here that we're actually in the game. We actually have code here, so I'm gonna go to play it. You see, and then we shoot, and then you can see that we lost. Okay, let's shoot again. Let's die again, and this guy will die. And yes, all right. Wait, let me turn off this one, and we go play it. And this guy will shoot. Now see, every time it shoots, it will die. And we'll use the space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see, and you can see here that we actually have killed our enemy, and that's the luck. But also, even words, I accidentally forgot to add the collision event on the object bullet, which is so when it collide the object enemy, will destroy it. Yeah, yeah. All right. So that's our mechanics, or health mechanic, or HP mechanics, and we're gonna make it have an effect. I guess effects is actually very crucial if it's actually very worse. So in order to do effect, we actually need to, and we go to the bullet enemy, and we go to the object enemy, and you can see that it will collide object bullet. Also, we're gonna zoom it closer. We actually need another code here. Oh sure. Alright, so today we're gonna add another code to effect, which is actually very simple. Yeah, so you actually want to like explosion or stuff, and then we actually want to above objects and go to medium, and also medium relative as well. And also choose your color. I choose this one. Yeah, and click OK here. You can store color stuff, which is then nothing. And then once we're done, and, and then once we're done, go to go play it. Yeah, play it. It might take a few seconds to load this up. Alright, so we're in on the game and we're gonna test it. Shoots. Shoot. Let's see. Oh, you see, it does the effect. It does the effect, but the problem is, it's just. But the problem is, you can see that it's just actually just under here. So we actually need to do the below object, which means under it, and just to do it better. Also, let's just actually need to change something. Probably about 5. A star, or spark, or flare. And I'll go with the firewalls for better. And we're gonna test play it again. Actually add a bit here to below objects in size, medium size. Alright, so let's see what does this do affects me. It's finishing. We're in the game here. And now we're gonna test it and see if it works. So you see we actually put the bar in here, so let's see if every time we're gonna shoot it. And you can see that it's actually putting up below objects. I thought it's gonna put down here, but we're gonna put it above. Let's play again, and then let's see if firewalls does really make it much more better. So we're in game here, and we'll test play it again. Test play again. So let's see. And you see it does a much better, and it does a much better. But I think I'll use another color instead of this. See that will actually kill this buffaloes, kill this buffaloes. And see that we actually do a lot of good effects here. Which means we actually have done it. Yeah, literally done it. So choose, and we just choose for the, okay, but not too black actually. And then you see that's much better. All right, and that's our effects done. And so that's our code done. And you can see here. All right, so that's code done. But there's actually a problem about this. So this is kind of like this ship here. I'm gonna put our ships here. We're gonna put on the sprite here. Go here, and then I'm gonna zoom. We're gonna zoom here a bit. So imagine it. So I'm gonna draw the imagine laser. Draw a laser here. I'm gonna draw a imagine laser, and you can see that this is a laser or laser. So which and there's actually a problem. If it's touched the entire if it's touched the entire board, this one, the board of the ship, it will die. Even though we actually wanted to go much deeper to make it much more realistic. So, so in order to do that, it's actually a very simple. And we're gonna go to collision marks, and instead of this, we're gonna use the manual, which means you can actually change size here. Actually change our size here, so and change size here. So we actually want this enemy to be close as possible instead of this. So and close here as possible, and you see that we are done. Next, and let's display it again. Alright, and you can see that actually I've got a lot here, and you can see that it's actually much go deeper than we expected. You can see I'll show it again, and you can see here look clearly it goes through and done. And yes, that's our video. Hopes you learned something new today. And if you guys want more GameMaker tips and tutorials, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.